Okay, so hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course too, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Aries, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the devil. Okay, there is a sense of unhealthy attachment, or there's a sense of things not going with love. Yeah, there's a lot of toxicity, negativity around the situation, or maybe third party kind of a dynamic. Let me clarify the devil as their feelings for you. We have the lovers, the six of swords, and the wheel of fortune. So this is someone who is feeling like leaving the situation, moving on, and letting the universe decide for the future outcome of the situation because of a third party dynamic. The lovers and the devil together is definitely a choice between two people, two situations, two things, and a very unhealthy attachment kind of a dynamic. One of you is still attached to something else or someone else. It could be a negative pattern. Third party is not always romantic third parties. Sometimes it's negativity, toxicity. Okay, sometimes it is maybe job or career issues or financial issues. It can be anything, but this person is feeling like making the choice of moving on from this toxicity and negativity and letting the universe decide whatever best possible outcome is going to be there for you guys. Whatever is possible, whatever is best for you guys, let the universe decide. This is what they're feeling right now. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Let me remove the glasses. I don't feel comfortable today. Let's see from your side, what do you feel about this particular person or situation? Tower, what is happening, Aries? You're feeling like this is falling apart. This is falling apart, and you're kind of in some kind of shock or surprise regard like what by whatever is happening. But you saw it coming. You knew it's going to happen. Let's clarify the Tower. We have the Strength card, the Judgment, and the Ten of Cups. You are holding on to this energy of okay, whatever happened. You should just forgive and forget and move ahead in your life and create your own happiness with the people, things, and situations that are actually good for you. So you're moving on from some kind of disaster that happened some times ago. For some of you, it happened 8 weeks ago. For some of you, it happened 8 months ago, maybe. But now you are in this energy of forgiving and forgetting and moving ahead. Not forgetting, but forgiving. Okay, and moving towards something better or someone better that's going to give you the kind of happiness that you're looking forward to have. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Knight of Swords. Their intention here is to run away from the situation right now as far as possible and not taking accountability, not looking back. What is happening? This person doesn't want to sort it out or connect with you or do something about it. They just want to run away from the situation as far as possible. Emotions and the energies. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords. We have the Devil and the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. Because this situation has become so toxic for them, so unhealthy for them, they don't want to, connect with you and sort it out with you. They want to run away towards something better or someone better and have a brand new beginning in their individual life. As of now, without you. So according to them, Aries, the person that you're connected to, the energy that you're connected to, according to them, the situation has become so unbearable that they don't want to deal with this situation anymore with you. Instead, they want to walk away, actually run away from the situation as far as possible and start their brand new chapter, brand new life as of now without you. Right now, they're not looking forward to have love. Right now, they're looking forward to have a stable and a brand new chapter. Maybe they're focused on money, job, career, and or focused on this idea of having something stable. Hmm. I don't know what is happening, but they are refusing to look at the situation from any positive angle. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? King of Wands. From your side, you just want to wear your heart on your sleeves and you want to take some kind of action. Okay. What's happening? Let's clarify the King of Wands. What kind of action do you want to take? You are in the state of giving somebody another shot. You are still in this energy of, okay, I might give them another shot if they are going to come back with correct energies. But the energy that you are attached to, they are into this energy of, I don't care, enough, I can't deal with this. Okay, we have the Nine of Swords, the Ace of the Sun card, and the Nine of Wands. Even if you are hurt, you want to see the light at the end of the tunnel and you want to let your guards down and do something about the situation to make it work out somehow or to make it more positive. So you're hurt beyond words. Still, you don't want to lose hope completely on the situation. Still, you want to give it another shot. And then you want to see where things can go. For some of you, you just want to clear the air with this person so that you can be happy and you can be at peace. For others of you, you still want to make things work out with this person because you can't let them go. And you're ready to take the risk of going in this direction and giving them another shot. Even if you're hurt, even if you're stressed out. Because this is something that is not like letting you sleep at night peacefully, keeping you trapped. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May. Yeah, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24. Yeah, 25th of May. Let's see. Six of Pentacles. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Pentacles before saying anything. We have the Knight of Cups, the King of Cups, the Seven of Cups. It will be like either you or somebody coming towards you with a lot of love mixed with a lot of confusion. Somebody is going to, try to figure out a good way to balance it out with you. And or it could be you trying to figure out a good way to balance it out with the other person here. But there's going to be a lot of ifs and buts, lots of confusion, lots of ways that you guys can do it, but you will not be able to come to the conclusion of okay, this is the way, this is the path, this is the right way, or this is the right path. So something is going to trigger in you the energy of, okay, let's balance it out with the other person, let's figure out a way with love and compassion instead of going all gaga over it and making this situation more difficult to handle. Let's do something about it. But you guys will not be able to understand what you guys should actually do, but you guys will try with a lot of love. So basically, I do see somebody trying to figure out a way to sort it out with you, or you doing something about the situation with a lot of love in your heart and soul, but not able to figure out what you guys should exactly do. There is going to be a lot of confusion, lot of ifs and buts, and lots of this energy of still other energies affecting this situation. This is not a free situation where you guys can come together and figure it out. No, some energies are mixed up and you guys need to sort them out too first. Yeah, for you, the guidance here is a Page of Wands. You have to literally start from the scratch, start from zero in order to go in a particular direction with a fresh clean slate kind of energy. And you have to let go of the past baggages completely in order to have this brand new beginning. You cannot start a brand new chapter unless you are totally done with the past situation, past chapter, whether it's with the same person or it's with somebody else. You need to figure out a way to let go of the past completely out of your system. Then only you will be able to find a path or the way to have this brand new beginning that you're looking forward to have. And that too, you have to completely erase the past. That's impossible, but you have to completely make peace with the past, that this is the past, this is whatever happened, I can't change it, but I have learned my lessons and now I can start from the scratch with this lessons learned kind of energy. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.